Agrada say Agrada has no case. And na omo a enam omo so ama Agrada ko jail. They are also there. Ebi ya so for pay for Ghana so for ya e pay for ka.
E ka jail
no mo da na so Agrada jail dey packaging jail. Mami get to let's give ourselves time. Secret will be PP. With the arrest of Agrada, secret be PP. It's in me mesre e mami Agrada. Ni nkofo mo twa no ho ahia nyina say omo money now. No one fan say waba out, wa overtake storm no. Storm no dey beba e na wa overtake. But me tie ne say e bia no storm be beba no ontimi overtake. Meaning what I say. Inti I was me mami ana me nua ma de nyina me sister.
Okay.
Only very vigilant and careful.
Okay.
We can confirm omu circulating no because in confirm go ha omu ko pen tokwa na omu dey ahye ko dey share me dey bia me da na se dey bia me come ko me say dey kan ho na bo no by what man sunsun me say man na ni sun answer because why be what we were all thinking say the guy could not do wa pass it Janet enti Agrada only very careful once an go prison you me say mama part I say na Agrada we free in one prison but you releasing me from 15 years to 1 year per out almost 8 months no. Ye bisa Bible no qualify for say what by yi obeka na no to mu boko ongo pe problem bia chako misa benku so obeka ko pe problem bi so a na be sa me ya china tu bi owu a mu asa ko jail bi mu a chako misa ni faso okay ongo pe problem bia what you know for yes if you clear satanipa yes and so the woman is a star okay but what I said. And before every star will become a star, you will definitely have a story. The story, no. If anybody wants to be a woman power like Agrada, you need to also have a story.
I will say, if we buy a chair, your mama pass, let your mammy Agrada, and you consume once a woman 15 years. Dr. Moon will begin Kobo, HS, mammy will be Piercia. Ampany ampa and na me no ka say mama part will pay na pia will pay and yes social media for be the crowd Ghana for through bebre na e kasa wo mo kasa so mo nsam e hehye wo no mo kasa so de mo kyerese maame no waye so huye anya ade se mo do be panitiri mu da ba wa bai wo be san aye ne mo ye na bim am ye san e de na kwakotu black pastor mo ni celebrities be Ghana ha dodo na be kasa wo mo e kyerese o mo bo enyo pie na mama part e pie so bi kwa kyerese at least there anka ya ma no kra anka ye beto sumpo de ama na ka 10 years bi there na ka o say ye mama mi e twa ayensen na ho e de ama afofo na so busua se wo betwa se wo ntwa se wo deserve ene mama part e pie asembisa ne se e de biem ene da nanim se wo pie ya wosan aba monten so me sa aka Dr. Amingu e wa ha e ba bidin komo ka me ho na ma na kwa ba na fe fa komo no en hwehwe so Dr. Mwakwara,
Ayo wa ho fe.
mama bi ya wo kodo.
Yes, you didn't go na me.
Ye de nyame ase. Mama party pi.
Mama part de me amimia. Wa pie no ye no mu de da nyame asese wa pie.
Okay.
Ba na ye ne say ma ho fe. Me se wa tiefo. Ene wa hwefo say omo fam me omo so. Ananya sa na e kan
Omo fam waso.
yes. Me ye ne say o se onipa bi o wa asase we so. E wona adofo. E wona atamfo. We as we ni atamfo kura ko ne ko pebi. Se won ti mi pebi so ba me metwa pa atamfo ama. Apostle doctor metwa pa atamfo ana me pass ama wo. Na asem no aye wa atamfo. Na mo we ni ada ho because normally atamfo no ma ni pe ni da ho. E won nema bebre mu. Ba wo bi ho so onpe nsohwe. Onpe na but who be di ye was asase we mu a you will move from disgrace to be grace. Yes, disgrace have to come there. You will approach the disgrace, the delay before so be approach to your happiness. Okay. Sanity, I know it's a must. What I said, but any people will tell us. But I make you kakao, your mommy Agrada na wapano. Uti the year so na betuna sika once and say Agrada be pie. And I'm pass we pie. But sister, I mean come on kwenche. Agrada no ho hye papa because ne ho sika akono. Edoso.
Pie na wo pie.
Me na da. Na so obi anim. Everybody understand what it means. Anything concerning Ghana law and as a Ghana court and as a be edited in police station, people know what it means. And yet is how and yet is as a court best sentence. So now what me about nothing before they were jail. Their case have not been even called. Okay. Yes, sentence of case, and even when they don't even have money to even make an attempt to do an appeal. But again, that was what me then. What me then I appeal. I think I asked who is Kamu. Sky is very, very important. So that ubetimi di sika na eden. Na mpa ko ne yebo say judges no answer and can't check Ghana for ina say stand there agada aka yinko tuaka. Kenya asem. I'm telling you, Kenya asem kese pa because so much me obi for obi a sentenced for 15 years. Yetime you na pay with no time under 1 year. The judges can also say Ghana for never one city in better of a man because your man I was in the time I could jail for nothing. So a chess also my one from me say no me here that say Agrada has no case.
Oh sir.
Yes, until no me no say until na omu ni say was omu reducing the years no so. Now omu timi den ejinu. That means he has no case. That means you go for no so wa for do omu ni na no on for do omu. But listen to me, I'm abayin mra no. But individually, out. They cannot just speak up, but they are there. Monitor. And now, and now, almost so a man got that code jail. They are also there. They be a soft for Ghana, so why ya and penny for come.
Eka jail.
Nothing got a packaging jail.
Oh, sir.
Oh, I package on packaging man.
Yeah, why don't the packaging?
Oh, packaging man. Yes. A packaging jail. The case. My make a job. So, who case now? Who case now? Definitely, the lawyer will be aware of case. No matter so, my uncle who judge when you are panachoni, yes, but what I say. But in this case, no, admit from nowhere, boom, now hit him. Because Nipe Bio was a serious Black Beauty, TM Shame, Black Beauty, one who said, Nipe Bio was a serious, Sasem Betuna, Daimobu. Okay. But I got that own, and Fanessa, and your packaging to what they hit him once.
It's well, who she are now.
No, oh, she hasn't come here with ma. Because I also die. Say, Bia, who could say food, and now food is fear. You should know, say, a woman for that town. I'll be a wapine, and I'll be so I can die naturally. No, I day, why am I? Meaning what I say. But in her case, no. And once you have a court, or no, you say the case or quarter, or quarter, I said, never won't coffee. Pregnancy test, bra, near found Franco Jim. Your command year 15 years. Do say immediately to the week, no, then it's my session. So I don't know, so that kaya. Yes, videos no eh. 18 minutes, let's say, Emma, my brother, name for motion, we share you now, sir. Or more money now. No more funny say, waba out, wa overtaking storm, no, storm, maybe a beba, and I wa overtaking. But near Tiana say, if you are not storm, be beba, no, on to me overtaking. Means what I say, until I was some mammy, and I mean, my dear, and my sister. Okay. Only very, very vigilant and careful. Okay. We can perform almost circulating, no, because in performing her, or more pentapa, no more because I got that sentence, all is about social media in short, if you follow the universal say, it be a social, it be yes, because in performance of Mako report, say, yet I got that deal with Omuko police report, to me all the time. Meaning what I say, but your penalty in the or no the phone take. Hello, magistrate. Hello, court clerk. Hello, this. No, oh, this particular lady. Or about court case. No more they say. Hey, me 10,000 to the tree. So, moya mami. Just to disclaim. Mami can be told. We are ex-convict. We are ex-convict. And I can say, we are ex-convict. And me me go from them because we started them yesterday. It's my son. The mechanical dictionary. But now I will check. We should check. Now that you are dictionary. Yes, I make that mingo dictionary. Me a tell you say, see a two. Near the local police station, near the local court, near the USM, near the local jail, I see a family escovit. We had day I got our escovit is here. Again, I'm just say, I got that will control Ghana. But because of weight, there's a question. Even if you can explain, there's a question mark. Until I wasn't people be a was as if we show you. And then you pay me now, no, my son, the power has a move. As this girl look very black, she's beautiful. With the black, I cannot trace it because black, the only way you can spot black is with the bleaching something that got affecting. Or make it a black now, or the bleach a couple bleaching was saying. Into who would get black and then they just start bro. We never should any bro. Into a pass mama. But what I said, into also the people was as we are very vigilant. Then you should also know the kind of people you'll be moving around with. And don't seek for any information from anybody. You put the information in the bell. Or once I don't do and it's happening in our society. Until I got that was so careful. Say and they surround you know, baby or woe, you couldn't share my baby. I'm a danasi. Baby, I'm coming to say that they can run about mobile what money soon as a man they mission answer. Because what we were all thinking, said the guy could not do. What pass it? pass exams and it's a congratulation to him. But the main part and say omun guide ye nua ya de nyina agrada omun guide no omun protect him so that bibia eso same enkoba ne so da obi na nya case agrada na ayi aka nipa da so dem combine
maame ye beba ne abehwe se ne wo kan ase bibi bebo ba bibi wo na say wo hwemu a waye sunsun me pe de metimi aka say bia wo hunye wani mo hu se bibi da ye maame ne nimti beba wa mo wo sunsun ne atwe na wo ka se maame pe a wa pie sika komu pa
oh yes
sika free no ko
yes
ye hwe agrada afita mo koda mu edi besi time odi pie ya especially for the first night ye no Ghana ha me ha mani nka na nsuro nka asofo bebro 10 ena hye nkom edi fa agrada ni pie wo pie se obepie na sa 15 years ne de enya ade se wo betwa judge no man rule we your trust what so be about 1 year no was sign the caution part about say so what say asofo ni be hye nkom ba don judge no o ye Kristo ni enti wo jensentreni di so ni se ne esi wa agrada abrahom aye sentreni enti we no nyina wo esi den na wo ka se sika komu asa na mo pie
me da se me tie me se ma ho ofe me black beauty yes na ye na mo se asem beto so a na wa asem wo mu se sen na ekoye police asem ekoye aban amane a wo ye da obe se iska wo ye o ya pa wo na wo se wo na wo ye hwana be se iska ska be free maba and in this agrada's case no enkrofo omu kan wa ye chi agrada tu mu omu da so Ghana ha
okay
and you say they are happy they are not happy but every baby na agrada ho ye omu mobo because we say be agrada ho and the woman no can secret the woman say the woman is a very very good woman agrada according to information that they got they so very good they so very very good in terms of all boys so offers are all yes and you can see say the baby na say a sooner does it even the judgment na a cause tia no can judges who didn't like it because now according to Nkrofo amone no work prison so almost see maame no osu 24/7 o sorry ya no ko no to gbenu look at the Bible okobo mpaye oye say who say eto da asem betimi ato bi ni wakase asem na ato no no ko de enye but nyame de hye nipa ne de okọ prison kura ba you say don't say the color na fefe because e hono mpie ko bebia ewia bi anhye no o hye one place nti otimi nya time ebo paye ema mami ka bi cho me ni Nigeria ni bi wo case bi me say ombre me molato den soap huniama efri Nigeria and my friend my family members mostly like 95% in Nigeria for na me friend ba ko say on meji sika no fa come Nigeria ni Nigeria no mo fa niama no product ne family o ka che me say mama hey I not able you go pray against me and me say well ka che me say so mo just can the corner niama na mba aso this will die because when me say the me me pay fa agrada is a prayerful woman every baby who say nobody could fight for her until was all them pai ye jumo my dear until pai na all bano it was shaking even among the ministers I'm telling you
okay
there was a strong shaking let's give ourselves time secret will be PP with the arrest of Agrada secret will be PP eti na make say me ma na me sister penny no on pepe dey tuna ko there na on forgetting them bi na on for the new fan sha there and you be the PP a won akasa no e be shocking because Ghana ha no hu nipa bone for doors pa nipa bone obi wo ho no wo sere no no ss o ono no wo sere no fa ka cho se na asimesi na ye wo se so ono aka ho e na mo ye wo sa de no enti no nyam be piepie because still no ebi no yo okay be ko fe be no okay the release of Agrada no e be brenyu okay I'm telling you so wo tie Nkrofo as nsema mo kana but me no me make it mama Agrada say onye very careful because obi wo who say aban kwaja obi pie hu wan kona na wo ku wato acha na wa yo bibi boni mpacho acha say nti o hwe ne hu ye man ha no hu piepie na du piepie ni sa ne man ontena wan kona because Nkrofo mo busu claim say wa du pie omo no omo do say Nkrofo ayo omo de say wa ba out
Agrada ye ni mu ne obi a na ni so o hye and the social media they were trans as yes die wo
yes
abra wo court back na do free court buy ya
no you be
like your court wo court ho ne judge kan ye na lawyer for kan ye no wan ka sani fam na ni wo me ni na na ma mi keka o free prison buy you fit da ye yi no e di pesi kwesi da na ka do do pra hwe kwan say anya hwe kwa kwesi da de nke betu na na kasa besi na ma mi kasa ye one say no be video na na we kana no chi na nyum da ase saa e bi just ye kai say maami wo besesa am awko ba yi wasesa e bi so say hwe ye wo ye nyina no ye timing wo packaging ne ma no wo dwene wo hyehyɛ na say no be sign dia ban because wo ye komfo no ogu amanfo fa so wo be ye sofo ogu amanfo fa so no akoye ex convict any yan
me da asema ho fit into Black Beauty de tie me say agrada ne sesan ne on sesan ne de ni na we rade sim na kuma no ye rade akuma eti nyame ne be kasa kire no but ye person ye hu no ko social media de ye kita ye Bible ai de be ye hwehwemu wo hono ama ni pe mu agrada wa ba no obe sesan ana say on sesan and the Bible be bad person make a we afa na nyina say we should consider agrada as a changed person.
okay
You consider as a changed person because you see what the difference between say wakasa etia obi what the law says about that meaning obi first no nim ho hwe
okay
she doesn't know anything about the law say bia we ya obi keke kra
me do kotu
no nim no onim say information of character onim kra no nim say e serious say
okay
but in this case no okwo mu ba no who say there are so many things that is a deformation it no or extra what careful it I don't think say obesa betri obi video dey betu me video chi no akasa afa ni pe because me say nipa beti na den asore tia no aterete and am ka mi to wo wiase wo say ye nya bie bibi to say ye do akọ police station aba what take dey go police station
okay
so na enti na agrada onye very careful no asan ko prison you onye very careful because ni etie ne say wanya akọ ababa ko yi that is why some people go say oh so ni mra no and wakasi afa me ho no wa taking video no is it duetting and I'm kind of saying
no do
what duetting video not that come police for me evidence in and listen to me right now in our situation our generation we don't deal with verbal you said we deal with evidence into nobody to prove say me video me who say agada aduete and I say ekasa fa ho egu mani masenia the court will hold that video on and they will invite her and the same process begin to take place again. It's in Onya very careful. She should mind her own business and forget about it. Mami can even tell I got that prison no for that and so for you because I jealous of that prison. I'm telling you. Omu nyanka no that prison. Because I got that prison no for and for viral. Hey sister, I serious. Now the mami can say me you should say I got that bana. So what say Bible no kwa for nchire. Also say Bible no kwa for nchire. Obechire bi enko. Bible we are no kwale for efie bebe na me no wa aye adwuma me bisa wa asem ba na me hia emu no kwale me pese me hu say mama part ya fa na agrada wa ba no ye release the fees one prison no obesa create problem blom me say na ko prison blom a chako me say me fa so on create problem bia chako me say benku so o say ko on create because I know why careful.
Oh, social media so you man
yes.
You know how we achieve before Pastor Thomas.
Thomas no so dey omo mo Thomas no so dey bo am because you see feature full ni a na wo hu ni ehim. Into omo feature problem bi no omo feature ni yi. Me say mama part I say na grada we free in one prison but you releasing me from 15 years to 1 year per out almost 8 months no. Ye bisa Bible no qualify for say what by you obeka na not mu boko on go problem bia chako me say benku so obeka ko problem bi so a na be say mo ya china tu bio mu a no asa ko jail bio mu a chako me say nifa so on go problem bia what you know for yes if you clear sakanipa
sense
nia agada come this particular for leaving your house to remain in a particular place for 1 year sister not easy with that agrada I know no or you this fancy woman lovely and sharing person I feel they do baby or money jewelry and gold and dynamite ontimi yusu ni jacuzzi bi hey do you say freedom now one on pay mama can be just say obia abandon sentence obia no your life is being controlled by the government. Yes, you sleep 3 o'clock and after 4 o'clock. But at the normal when it's a one freedom, you can sleep like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, midnight, 2 o'clock. That's the time you are sleeping. Nobody can question you. But we be here question about someone, about the control. You are not catch us at 5 o'clock. It's a one prison. You are lucky. I was it's a force. Ubeko will get to one wakoda. But what I say, until me not sure say agrada freedom now when you will. Obeka so ompe freedom because okwa ne baba no ko wutum say why basa. The our young girl bia osa eya na abro no masi. I wutum say kwa why basa. Ekna me mpa kon de me boma ebusan say radem kankofo ya ko no mutimi gina ma me yechi. Me mo nje ma me na jeje. Nti ma me ne ba wa ba say be bomb person na kuma endere nyame akuma. Na nim duro enya nyame dia ne kasa anya na me kasa. Ma ne mfa social media no. Se wudi sika na onu na nechi a ubeko ko kanto kwa boni a yedu beko jail a nipa na ko support ni ko on kai so ba I'm telling you because social media some are recording at the take video ya me and the whole 20,000 10,000 years and the obi akọ YouTube TV na ko bo too much a ebe pie ba church say ebe pie be show video no so kan de boni na fan ho a obetimi agweti video na against you. But church say me can now go one city eya for about thing for asempa because one city kwa na we need na fe do go na court we know because the mbebe so obi anya very careful ni aga da pie mu aba no ebi no ontimi witi won catch say you careful but me sere wo you very careful because a sign e wo wi ase e sign wo pa you
Mama, wakasa bibi ya so nya bagada. Ona empenifo se de wo baboni auto baby nka. Sabe Ghana fo bi trese ye sha agrada ni subanya ya wo da ne dia. Wo ye epe bia ne maame awo no atile baby nka trese wa ha maame ni yi pa. Na ni nyanu ka mema wo na so asa agrada no aye 1,000. Wa ji bibi ya wo so. E na ne mema ye wo ye ne ma ye wo ye. Na ni ko mo se maame ka ba sorry dem wa wo dia dance pa ne so ate. Ye sha agrada and schedule the bus as so to say.
Me da say ene e che me say oba bi e kwa awo so a ne mpa e bo say on emfa ne ho fa ne ba at the same time so some mpa e say ne ba no ebenyi abeya akola papa so that oba enjoy the fruit of a womb sa na oba bi a ne mission te ba ma me ka say ba ko nche wo say wo ko wo ba na wo ko akola no benyi na obeya akola bone a ebi wo ha na we ni moje mu ebi wo ha ni moje mu ebi wo ne ma me wie bi ne ma me ne wo fa bi ni papa bi na sa not e na bi a wa bewo ne bana be den abefa the same suban eno nche so beto wo na twene but wo be kire no wo be kasa kire no because agrada ebusuafo no tama na me no ya da no tama na ye chi agrada tu na ebusua no manda because omu move 24 hours they were moving to lawyer's office judge's office they were moving every corner to make sure say honestly they ebe out. Yes, you go now go about Bonia, what you baby, can do sanity. But what you need to know, it was a church now what it's in a ye because a Claudius himself, I got that way. I mean, even though I turn out to wear escovate no ababu, but there's one thing I meet Gidi, when we say, would now as man woman. Oh, yes. Say, yes, a be as our escovate, I do a so I got that can stand for Ghana Parliament and parliamentarian member, and I said, even a presidential member. And she can fight for the good state of Ghana. I'm telling you, because Shani or that kind of strong hearts.
That is a woman power and no can.
Yes, and when you look at the woman, you can see those things, especially when you have that second eye, you can see that thing in essay, or you're very strong because she does not accept defeat. Okay. Yes, and no that channel. One will name no, because honestly, no, Nebano ko ebenino. Onu su mi se ne ba no ko de one city woman ma me di to dem. Nsi achi ne ba na to ma no ntimi tina wo sa akeke. E was so to me sorry. Nti also because I quite watch say some of the videos. Na ne ma me no ene ne papa and ade papa me da agrada as na de ben bo pen say agrada. Na me hu ne mo bo na nya me ma na sunsun ma wode na eni so ahode. No nti fa ngira ho ma ne ma me papa because ma me ne papa no. O man giving up. They were moving with Nikunu Asiama to the court premises. Fine Kosia. Even the last time I heard a video say, "Ne papa no, any Ibrahim, niya ayo ko bua prisoners release no. Oni no ko di nko so kwambe so beti na fa bua na ma na no papa na ka chance na ba na dey a special case." But what I say, so the parents were putting effort. Nti eno tell say wo ba bone kra wo so wo de no. Kasa ma be kama kasa chem say, "O jai nya wo oye no na emfa ade papa emfa mbre no." Na mama nka be che wo agrada obi a ya chi na tu wo prison ya pie no de na ya release no wo de si wo Ghana de is it convoy and I can say omo de to lie bebre obi a ya chi na tu ya release no it became a celebration a child said the woman is a star. Okay. But what I said, and before every star will become a star no
you will definitely have a story. The story, no. If anybody wants to be a woman power like Agrada, you need to also have a story. And Agrada, I mean, the prison, no, because some of the men of God, it still hurt them. So I go prison. Me grandpa, I mean, I'm judges, no government, and make us Agrada come and go prison. But we will make sure say she will not come on social media for good 1 year. Can you call it better?
Because for
what you say, my beautiful girl? It's in Agrada, no, or your movie trend.
okay.
So everybody have to understand, say, obi a moving trend piano. Anything can hit you. Except say I don't know to win, then you apply wisdom to handle the issue. Now I win. So I believe say I better than win. Issue be very easy piano or be handle with care.
Okay.
Your case cannot explode again because or make sure say you will handle that thing with what? Good care. And no comment, my dear. When you say obi be who was as we swa, obi ho one prayer obo. Say of a single child. And I say upper twins, and upper is it triplets, fourplets, and then your war has the same plate in Alabama because see, I'm the beer do any brabum. Mammy can be shown. You will have a committing area. No, I want that for, and I will am an manas, yes. I'm an manasem.
I say, I want a minute, Dema. It is then I have buying to me man half.
But I say, I want a minute, Dema. But in this, me and you, our generation, what me ma war. Oh yes. They say Nyama, we are now in the 21st century. Nyama is sound.
Okay.
In this our generation, Nyama na dem war. But obi a Nyama born the same nipa no on work rano and no betting now. Why? You will be a friend of FVF and almost say IVF. School no dey easy. IVF no. Utimi ko ni akwachi obi sperm. Ni atwo so sperm. Ni e dey bomb dia shake kubeta mu. Ni am 6 months. We ko na dan ni party. Na e rahye wo system mama. Na wanyem. Na wow.
Okay.
Inti anunti no na yi ano say obiya ti me wo utimi call for awoma wo. Ba ne tere say wo pese wo na wo ba no osew. Wo say is it IVF awon. Eno no go na do mo say o parents no. Inti le yo koye DNA ya na e say DNA na enkola na nso mo. Eno no ya twa obi sperm. Ya di boni sperm abebu amagana ni patutu akọ wo Chinese ni. Enye easy. Share e ga na abe betimi si wo. Ne tere say me person obi ati ase say you can call for a war type a person wo because our system ni mo sisia eno nko na nchen say wo be wo na wo awo tafo awo a ye wo amane ni amamre wo say utimi yema nkola no enye say wa tete mo be lusu nkola no wo lusu nkola na wa kase wa be basa anaso nkola na ba bo betimi aye basa but normally say ka wo nyame nyansem no say obi obe wu ntafo bia no or your blessed mother and ntafo so brings good energy to the house. But say in this our era no find beautiful girl ntafo no be ho come ntafo so mo come nkasa so adani satanic thing to the family instead of bringing positive energy me na make a cho you want ntafo be ho mo nka wrong, it's an error because ntafo no ya pay omu ni no ma pie nti na e was say we etimi dwi we no way to do well. But when you realize that I didn't happy with Shenima, then you should know that there's a problem. I wasn't my papa, no, waiting here, they actually sing your mom. So we study and cry for Mamma. Or more, I didn't want to see Apollesuma ye. In our first celebration. They won't have for a particular month this one. We didn't go any pay. No, my yes, I didn't. I'm Uncle. And yes, sir, in Granny, one of the most useless people. Over your mother and a young one. Mimi say me e northern part of Ghana ya wu nkola na ya kwhwe na omo ya ntafo abo so we dem ka ntafo we dem ka ntafo omo ko fefo mu no ma be shiri na omo ayo mama ni ene amamre amomo asa tama ya wo mo nyem afei ni e de eyi bi abo mo nsa obi o we ni boni ontimi fa me show mo because wu ntafo na ntafo ni ba ku wu a e problem ntimo se ba ku na waka no all the time no o catch us in or na for this ni anu na den le see ye no why disturb kakra na normally so we ni na wo no mo good united and I can say unity people are or the positive things never feel because ade a wo be ko baby na wo de be ba no e bi a wo a single person that de be ba so we ntafo a wo de be ba also de be ba na akoya double portion but what I say it is ntafo wo de very very good so wo be na wo ko wo ntafo eye but when nya ntafo na ko nya send so ye na amamre man Unna ntafo so your mama mre wa nyo mama mre be hard here e wo hwehwe ni
coming baby said because so will be back one in pain piliane and time say a mamma send your work and form there. It's not because I say a dear strong and I want our form one. A young back when I didn't money ma. Yeah, on one a man single, on one a man's half form. Single, maybe you will single while drink one normal bait living another say. Now a dear strong I want our form one. So we go want our form. I just a chin chat a young man living at a Cobana side, near Aboson Sem Bina, the dear Rawu.
But I know some same. Okay. And no, it's a mass something or what's away. Mammy can't be sure. So, who won't tap for now? I was away, mamma was away because Tafana get a positive energy beer or moody brain wa. So, who to add it? None tap for the kind of tobacco. No discussions about the better what the pound. Okay. The market a boy yet in Tabia on his saddle. And I will name it to a book and now be true, not be a touch more. Why, see, a friend from another. On the bit my or not necessarily that the team become positive because with me I take it 2 and not 3 plus at a time or your special being. Okay. Only 2 special brews but because of Uncolana what me the accuracy and sending now the room now what me carry back who the one thing carry me who carry back and make it a special person. And you know also do I am free the be a center for mommy at our mommy your body because the dinner day are hiding. Because we have settled record. But what else? Obi great me who first tap for. No was our second tap for. No was our third tap for. On who was settled record degree. It is that kind of Okolanayata stadium. They are always to do good and to do well in the society. Okay. And they work also. Okay. Yeah. Mommy, I can't do a child but you are the person we catch you as for then now. Mom watch too much TV and then an opinion we are not. You can't be a best anything. But more than a contact apostle Dr. Amingu, FIRSM, I did be to a bravo, soon what they do now 1 year. What you who Baby Shepherd, remember person or Baby Wakobuna from the tick component, one who was on Panasan Cano. Then man in the compliment of the jam. Why, Bogos. The Humi. Nami Mawa, one can never be dry, never be for Kamano. Or Baby Wako, the man who says, I love you, I want to marry you within 1, 2, 3 weeks. I think the man of course, hey. Ojala say aware de kwa minim de che wari afede opeso ogwa wari no bibi e koso a wan kasa wonti ase contact apostle Dr. Amingo Mahoma who contact me be a won work aso ne mpotemu woni be bi e wa brane ne ye beso every Sunday bia na wan kasa we ni beje aha e yesunsun sorry me ye femi apostle Dr. Amingo me ye kremoni repented Christian enti me de nema be gugu akremodin haban ye nema bebre e bebwa woni mi so for ni bitime je bride me menje bride me wodi yare for brand na me nje bride mesa nipa ne yare pepepe na me de ho adom bedom na metimi aden etwitwaje wo yare for na ma obi a abrabo de tara na wo ye bi ani oton ade ayento ombra me wade o ma no bedware onu o bedware keke obi a mesisi mu ye ne ya ara ne yefra yakudo ne yefra kese bema ne kwoti mu chese onu atoto ne no bi bo akogwa obi na ebom ma ombra me hu na ma na edu onu o be feel okay o be feel gbeze ne ni beja ma na broso so wo Ghana o wa goti be ndere wo bi o de pusuma hu ma na 053 049 5189 oposo sa hwa we awon so be kame won so anka me awdo hu me baba onu ni be kasa kore bibia be yama na wo so ye kasa wo so wetimi akasa bia na ye be mu a wetimi ababi no was spiritual incense spiritual soap no different we beto bi na use we be boa me da ase
mama me so me da ase pa arusia me da won so wonya abre ani adaje eduhwe dwumedi mama me da won so wasesa bibia ye ba wetimi ehwe de mama ye Dr. Amingo and I did and one let's also go down comments or comment section or all the social media handles no too much GH or subscribe like and share now for so media should edit that from my account.